Welcome to our exploration of digital marketing, an ever-evolving discipline at the heart of modern business strategy. As we navigate through the complexities of the digital landscape, let's delve into what digital marketing truly is and why it matters. Digital marketing refers to the use of digital channels to promote or market products and services to consumers and businesses. It encompasses a wide range of tactics and technologies, enabling marketers to reach a vast audience more efficiently and effectively than ever before. Imagine the internet as a vast ocean. Digital marketing is the set of tools and strategies that help businesses navigate this ocean, reaching potential customers on various platforms where they are most active and engaged. Now, let's uncover the core components of digital marketing. At its heart lies search engine optimization, or SEO. This is the art and science of enhancing a website's visibility in search engine results. Think of it as a way to ensure that your business is not a mere drop in the ocean of the internet, but a lighthouse guiding customers to your doorstep. By optimizing your website, you ensure that when potential customers search for relevant terms, your business is front and center. Another key element is pay-per-click advertising, commonly known as PPC. This involves placing ads on search engines or social media platforms and paying only when a user clicks on the ad. It's a strategic way to target specific demographics, ensuring your marketing spend is as efficient as possible, directly connecting you to those likely to be interested in what you offer. Social media marketing is perhaps the most dynamic aspect of digital marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn offer businesses unparalleled opportunities to engage with their audience. It's about more than just visibility. It's about creating a dialogue, building relationships, and fostering a sense of community. Through organic and paid strategies, businesses can reach users in a setting that blends personal interaction with promotional content, creating a more authentic connection. Content marketing adds depth to your strategy, focusing on creating and distributing valuable, relevant content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. The idea is to provide content that educates, entertains, or aids your audience. By doing so, you build trust and authority in your niche, positioning your business as a go-to resource for valuable information. Let's not forget email marketing, a tried and true channel that continues to prove its effectiveness. By delivering personalized messages directly to your customers' inboxes, you foster a direct and ongoing relationship. It's a powerful tool for nurturing leads, keeping your audience informed, and driving conversions with targeted campaigns. Integrating these diverse components is marketing automation. This technology streamlines and automates marketing activities, providing a seamless and personalized experience for customers, while maximizing efficiency for businesses. Imagine having an assistant that handles repetitive tasks, freeing you up to focus on strategic areas that require human creativity and insight. As we piece together these elements, the objective of digital marketing becomes clear: to leverage digital platforms, technology, and data to understand and engage with audiences in meaningful ways. It's about going beyond traditional marketing, embracing a data-driven approach that provides insights into customers' behavior, preferences, and purchasing habits. This allows businesses to deliver tailored experiences that resonate with their audience, increasing engagement and conversion rates. However, digital marketing is not without its challenges. With rapid technological advancements, marketers must continually adapt to changing algorithms, platform preferences, and user behaviors. Privacy concerns and data protection regulations add another layer of complexity, requiring marketers to balance personalized engagement with respect for consumer privacy. As we conclude our exploration, remember that digital marketing is a multifaceted and dynamic field. It requires not only technical skills, but also creativity, adaptability, and a deep understanding of consumer psychology. Businesses that successfully harness the power of digital marketing can build strong, lasting relationships with their customers, driving growth and success in an increasingly digital world. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of digital marketing. As you navigate your own digital marketing strategies, embrace the possibilities and stay ahead of the curve.